So I'm going to show you guys how to do simple wing liner. I've already done this one and I'm left with this one. So what I'm using today is a liquid liner from Tara, House of Tara Cosmetics. So the first thing would be to draw a line from where your eye joins each other here. Draw it and drag it. Good. The second thing will be to drag this line to the center of our lid here. Okay, so we drag and pull till the center. Very simple. And then you can fill it in. This is like the easiest way for me to draw liner. Okay, then from the inside of your eyes here, you take it. You don't want to overline the inside of your eyes because you still want your eyeshadow to show, especially for people that have hooded eyes or really tiny lid. So you just make sure you line almost from the inside of your eyes. Let me go in and apply more, like so. And then continue to drag it until both lines come together, and then you fill it in. And then you fill it in. I like to extend mine a bit to make my eye look wider. So to make your eyes look wider, you have to extend a bit. But you have to be careful with this step not to injure yourself, so that, or not to put the wand into your eye so that you don't start tearing up, and then you allow it to dry. Do not worry if there's still a gap between your lash and the liner. Your mascara will take care of that. And this is how to do a very simple wing liner. I made mine a little bit thick because that's how I like to line my eyes. It just makes me look more beautiful that way than when my eye is tightly lined. And then the next thing you would want to do, I will be using this Colossal Kajal from Classic Makeup. Another good Colossal Kajal is that of Maybelline, and I'm going to line my waterline. Just on the waterline, I'm not extending it down. Like so. I'm going to do the same thing here. And that's it. Very simple. So this is a very simple way of drawing your liner. If you would like to know how to apply eyeshadow, for if you're a beginner and you don't know how to apply eyeshadow, you're still learning, please watch the tutorial on how I achieved this eye look. This is the second part, of course, where I'm teaching you guys how to do your wing. So guys, this is the final look. I just popped on some lashes, and the good thing with liner is that it makes your lashes pop. Like, your lashes changes the game of everything. It makes your lashes pop. Even if there's a mistake, like during your application of your lashes, the liner would cover everything up because that area would just be dark, and it makes the eyes look sexy. You know what I mean?